Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can log into your Bungie.net account using your PS account. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, simply open any kind of browser and get to the Bungie.net. You can simply type Bungie.net and search for it and we'll get to this website, from which here you can get sign in option. Simply hover your mouse around here and in here you can get various streams that you can see right here. So from which we'll have to select PlayStation since we are logging it from PlayStation. So click on it and in here we'll get to this particular link. So before doing this here, you'll have to remember that you must link your PlayStation account with your Bungie.net. So if you have not linked your account with PlayStation, this won't be possible. So if you are sure that you have linked it, all you have to do is simply add in your email address in here and then simply click on next. After doing that here, you need to enter the password of your PlayStation account just like this. I have written down my password and then simply click on sign in. After doing that here, you can see we have now successfully been logged into our Bungie.net account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.